Hello, this video I will show you the new function for the Erayfoil remote controller, and now it upgrades the interface for the RC controller. Now I will power on the RC controller as you see here, and the old version here it will show the 100%. It will control by the percentage, and now it turned to 50 gears, 50 level gears to control the speech. And so this is, and also when come to the queries function, you don't need to it's easy to set the queries status. And if now we have well connect to the ESC to the receive board, and also power up these ESCs. And when you power up the receive board but there's no signal, that means the receive board and the controller didn't well connected, and so you need to make it have the Wi-Fi signal. And now the Wi-Fi signal didn't have Wi-Fi signal. So how we can do what we can do next is to RC prepare. How do we do the RC prepare? First of all, you need to power off the receive board, and here we power off the RC controller. Now press the on and off button, and now we need to both press the add button and the power on button together to get into the menu function. And you see the first is RC prepare. We just need to click into it. While we want to select it, just click the on and off button. You can see it will have the receiving preparing. When you get into this interface, you just leave it here and power on the receiving board. Once the receiver board power on, it will get the Wi-Fi signal. So now these two receive is well connected. You can see it has the Wi-Fi signal. And if we press to the prepare status, the last moment I will show you clearly about when it get the RC prepare, it will automatically activate the motors. You can see it. Now it's waiting the receiving code from the receiving board. So now we power on the receiving board. Make the ESC power on. Then it will get the receiving code. Then they will get the communicate together. And at this time, the motor will activate it. You can hear the flip of beep 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 beep. Now let me see it. Power it on. get the code 3B BBB beat. Now that means your motor is activate automatically. Now normally it can control the speed, but there's something wrong when the first time to finish the RC prepare, it didn't upgrade its interface. So you can see here has the lock buttons. When this has the lock logos, here it has a small lock on the center of the top, and you can, with the lock, you can control any speed. But this is the first time to finish the RC prepare. So even we unlock the RC controller, how to unlock it? Here has the minor button. You just long press the minor button for all 4 seconds. It will unlock this motor. But this is not normal. When the square, this is the motor is, you can control anything. When you press it, you can see there's no raise up on the gear. And here, if it's normal, this first you will have to see the gear for 50 by 50s, but now it's 0 by 50s, so this is not normal. So how to fix this problem? You just need to reboot this RC remote, turn it off, then turn it on, and you see now it has the 50 full gears, 50 level full gears. Now that means this RC controller is become normal. But now have the lock button. We unlock it, long press the minor button. Now we can press the photo. You can see top is showing the speed for 50 gears, then 0 gears. And compared to the last version for the RC remote, when you want to make it into the current stadio, how to make your circuit board working on the low speed, you just lower down the gears. Here is 50 full gears. You can press the minor or the add button to adjust your gears. Now if I want to current at the 20 gears, I'm just minor the button to make it to the around 20 gears. Okay, then we just need to press it, hold it, and this is max gear room over 20 gears. So that can work on the 20 gears. So you don't need to you just need to hold it to the max. Then your speech room will just stay at the 20 gears. If you want to add more gear, something like 33, 30, 35, and then you want to cruise at the 45 gear. Normally you don't need to do any active motor methods, but in the last version, when you can control the motor, you need to do the active motor methods. But in this new version, and when you turn off when it get the RC prepare, these two receive is well connected, and every time when we open the motors, power on the motors, then it will get the active your motors. Now we get it opened. As you see, it will automatically do the activate methods. So you just need to unlock the RC controller, then 50% by 50%, 50 by 50 gear, then you can control the motor. Every time turn it off your motor, then you open it, it will automatically activate your motors. You can see it. Unlock it and accelerate. It's much more easy to use. When you turn off the RC remote, you don't need to do any active motors. You just reopen it. Now close it. Reopen your RC controller. Unlock it. Then you can control its speed easily. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can leave me a comment below. Bye.